Today we are going to do a math lesson to make a graph. A graph is just a picture to represent numbers. Okay, this week we have been talking about the ocean, and hopefully you've watched an ocean video, and we're going to have some read aloud books about the ocean. Well, over here I have a giant picture that has all sorts of ocean creatures in it. And just by looking at this, I don't know how many I have of each. But if we make a graph, we can tell exactly how many of each kind of fish we have. On this side of the graph, you've got your numbers. They start at the bottom, go all the way up to 10. Down here, we have the different kind of sea creatures. We have a dolphin, a crab, a fish, a starfish, a whale, and a seahorse. Now, we are going to come over here and count our fish, and then we're going to go over here and put them on our graph. And this kind of graph is a bar graph because we are going to make bars. Okay, you ready to start? All right, let's look at the first thing. They have a dolphin. Let's go over here and see how many dolphins we have. Well, I'm going to have a marker, and you can have a crayon or a pencil, because once you count the fish, you need to put a little X on it to make sure you don't count him again. Okay, let's get started. I'm just counting the dolphins. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I have 3 dolphins that I've counted. So I'm going to come over here to my dolphin, and I'm going to count up 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. And I am going to color in. I'm just going to do mine kind of quickly, but hopefully yours would be a little bit neater. Okay? I'm going to color in 3 boxes. There. I have my first bar, and you can see that it goes up to the number 3, and there's my number 3 right there. Okay. The next fish I'm looking for are crabs, these orange crabs. So I'm going to get my marker, and I'm going to come over here to my fish picture, and I'm going to see how many crabs I get. 1, 2, 3. There's another one, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 crabs, so I'm going over to my bar to where the crab is, and I'm going to go all the way up 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to color in my bar for 4. Okay, and color it all the way up to the 4. Good. All right. The next fish I'm looking for are these little green fish down here. Okay? So I'm searching for the green fish. It looks like there are a lot of them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, do I have any more? No. So I'm going to go over to my little green fish. I'm going to go all the way up to the number 8. And I'm going to make my bar and color in all the way up to number 8. And noticing I'm just staying in my bar for where the green fish is. Okay, very good. All right, the next one I'm going to do is a starfish. All right, so I'm going to get a marker and count all the starfish. Looks like there are pretty many starfish too. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 starfish. I had 10 starfish. So I'm going to go all the way up to the number 10 on my graph. That means I've got to make this big, long bar, and I'm going to color it in, staying in my bar, all the way up to the top where the 10 is. Okay. Whew, bar graph looks really good so far. All right, next I have a whale. That's a big blue whale. I'm going to get my marker. Guess what? I think I just have one. One whale. Do I see any more? No, no more whales. So I'm just going to do one on my bar graph. So I'm just going to go up to the number 1. And I'm going to color in just one square. Okay? All right. Last, I have a seahorse. Here's a little seahorse. So I'm going to get my marker and I'm going to count the seahorses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, there's one up there. I almost forgot one. 6. That's why you put an X on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to come over to my bar graph and I'm going to go up to the number 6 and I'm going to make my last bar and I'm going to color it in carefully, just like that. Okay? Now, I have finished everything that I need on my bar graph. I'm going to come over here and just double check to make sure I counted all of them to see that all of them have an X. Yes, yes, yes. So I finished my bar graph. And then if anyone ever wanted to ask me how many fish are on this page, I could look at my graph and go, let's see, dolphins, we have 3. Crabs, we have 4. Fish, we have 8. Starfish, we have 10. Whales, we just have 1. And seahorses, we have 6. So that is how to make a bar graph. Bye for now.